Wadaroma, Brasheni Bono, I'm saying, Mr. Sampa.
Okay.
And now Wadaroma, I'm saying, now Sampa, my hand, no fine, Nippon Procope, Wadaroma, Brashemo, and clearly from Amas, I'm saying, the minimum in Yagris, Amas, and clearly that is where we are as we speak today.
Okay. And then back
court, right from the one that the ruling. The ruling now, money, the ruling was given by Santa Mancia and Patulation with the Planesa for my hand.
Okay.
The Bono region out of Chile, so many documents in the CD form about the national or document, you know. Time and again, my farmer, no, Sebi, Ekikashi, we came back to the court. Yeah, back court in the Bono have original house of chief near and say, the Bono region house of chief, the Bono region house of chief. You may say, Omaba for state execution, but the state execution was filing the Sunyani jurisdiction. And some of you have filed Kumasi said state of execution. The state of execution as a said to learn some of the flat in document, you know, Emma Omonfa regional house of chief. Sorry, Emma the national house of chief. Emma document, Emma Gazette, you know, by a back court, no court, and they say near Bono regional house of chief. Said be another man, and other no, Sebi, or said she, now to my hand, the court had dismissed their motion that look is not grounded in law, it's unmeritorious, and it's unacceptable. And for that matter, they should ensure that the right thing is being done, that the court will ensure Sebi to let some of the platform, the national house of you will be, you know, it will be taken to the national house of chief for him to be gazetted.
Okay. And so you know, court no said the work and watch him say rather than now, Jonas and Ronald Jonas for one more on cats and Emmanuel Fana and national. A brewery and an idea or the Emra Etoswana.
Or Sandy Mrato, so what Sheppy face said, Neodican no, Sana or that's a John. Your can is Sebi. Once a Sebi, mobile, Omba said there should be state execution. The state execution is a so say court no and granted that state execution. A so chimu, excess and pampa, Sampa, Sebi, or Hemba media, say, ya, master state execution, station in the group. Station in the group. You have to explain that grounds, that reason. Sampa, the documents in the car. ABR, since I'm so say, and ever. Once you were not able to grant your case in law, that indeed, if the state of execution is granted or is not granted, it will affect you. You could not replication, replication. And for that matter, when they fail to announce that replication, the court says, look, your application is not fair, it's unacceptable, and for that matter, it will not be granted. And so they dismiss the application. Dismiss the application right. For now, it's not about now. You have to send the document. You have to send the document. You have to send the document. But notwithstanding somebody said that almost sending document, and the contempt case will still be attended to. You will still come back to the contempt case for it to be attended to. Okay? Do you understand what we are saying? And clearly that was the ruling today. So the ruling is the fact said Asanteman has ruled supreme. And Asanteman has won. And clearly all those bloggers, all the young boys out there who don't understand history and who don't understand law, to accept the fact that this is the law. And for that matter, nobody, we are telling the Inspector General of Police, IGP Yohono, you are victimized. You are victimized. And then you are the IGP. You are a man of peace, a man of principle. Ibrahim, you are from Bana, so speak the truth. We are not saying, we are not begging you to defend us. We are telling you that speak the truth. The laws of this country are spoken, and the laws of this country has been declared that to let someone just fly the overlord of Sampa. And for that matter, the decision, the arbitration, that Asanteman, you know, Asanteman, it's so son. And nobody can change that position.
Now, that your appeal zone says
exactly.
State of execution. Yeah. Court one road house of led by another by or more state of execution at all. What about appeal like it is?
So for now, you see for documents in the court. It's the documents in the corner gadget in the panel. That is it. Say who appeal now if you a basha and power and your man in a woman. Now they said DNA test proof. And your man in a woman. Say no one is having come and maybe you. So for now, the ruling of the court, you could DNA test we not DNA test in church and pardon your mammy back. I'm not part of your family. For now, the leadership, Sebi, or Ban Munyam for or the Madishia, or can say to me trans our contempt, Nisha and Sampa, Nanado Mahine, Nipapa. And it's lawful. It's lawful. There's nothing wrong with that. On somewhere, because on somewhere, we have to explain to that. And to on somewhere, it's up to the Chief Justice to nominate a trial judge. All right, no better assembly for the contempt case to be here, to be pursued, and we are going to pursue it. But for now, we are saying to let someone has been vindicated. Asanteman has been vindicated, and Asanteman has won, and that is the authority right now as you speak.
Okay. But as now, appeal the chain on
so for now, the appeal is done on arrival. Your time about appeal not to let someone just like Gazette. What are you coming to appeal for? It's moot. It's done on arrival. It's moot. It will be moot. You are the end of the day, say still execution here by Mudia. Nanka Yabaka here appealing. But for now, now the call we are so clearly, technically, lawfully. Nothing is over. Everything is over. Everything is over. Oh, of course, there's nothing in there to let somebody has won and Asanteman has won. And clearly that's the authority today as we speak.
Sanity.
Can we be checked for? Oh, well, they can say some of one say man pass Nasi. Ghana phone say Nasi. Your money and your mamre, your Mel Kumanum, and they should not forget the fact the 1959 bill of the Bono have origin. The 1959 bill. The 1959 bill was the say Sebi Yatiti. Crew the manta when I say Bonafo. And then just be Obia or Yamfo and so much Sante. And then just Obia or I prefer the Quanta. What I say, Anabana, Anadi baby, and Sampa and some Asanteman. Very clear. Pontia shall obey the day. Well, yet the day now he can't send our social media. But here is the forum. Okay, count 70 you have no option than to come here and power 17 out to see what can Sebi. This is the forum to come to attack it. You have come here and the Lord has spoken that indeed, Senate here, and in the can't share Bonafo, and now the Bono region, of course, say this is the ruler of the court, and nothing will change. They should be humble, and we should show respect to each other in this country, and we have to make sure, we will demand accountability from the political class. Omo, and idea is they should demand political accountability. Otun for Sebi, Yamika share, on you be at war. Namobru. And I said, they should demand accountability from the political class. And for that matter, there must be that sincere authority. There must be fairness. For now, Asanteman has won. For now, to let someone just fly the overlord. For now, the court have said, the Bono regional house of chief. They should bring the document. So what is over? Of course, you about you. You about you.
I brand here, President Sampa. Yeah.
Yeah.
The representative.
The gentleman, yeah. That's that guy. What's the name? What's the name? Yeah, of course. I think Mamuling, right? That's the name. I think I saw him here. And for that matter, so Babi. And to buy, of course. So he should go out there. Of course, no, don't go and lie. And don't go and incite people that look. It's lies. And and a document and a people keke. There's nothing like people keke. The authority on the people will determine, and that is why when the trial judge was making the ruling, he made cases of being versus Assemblies of God Church. He relied on this authority, and he relied on the Republic versus Kumasi Traditional Council, and these are the authorities that he relied on before he gave that judgment. And for that matter, if someone gave a judgment, you are joking. And for that matter, of course, that is why we are Ghana. And so if you understand where you are coming from, you should understand who you are and appreciate the position of the law. And so, and for that matter, if you accept that one can't change bloggers here. This is the ruling. This is the ruling, and nothing can change.
The Bro House of Chiefs and also representatives.
Well, yeah, I think Lawyer Tian was there. I respect him a lot, but however, Lawyer Tian was trying to abuse the law. Of course, because in a sense, he knew very well. Say what the law no to say. Of course, it was water that he was presenting, but I respect his view. However, he knew very well that the canvas he was canvassing on the Section 14 of the Chieftaincy Act. He knew very well that the Section 14 Act that he was canvassing, of course, has been included in the wisdom of the trial judge that he gave the ruling. And for that matter, I of course, I respect him. But however, the presentation that he gave was hollow, with the greatest respect. All right, near can say that we are saying that Asanteman say, and Tiania transfer Ghana, and Brasimu Gumu, Nasabi, young Koso, Nayan Trim, Sinebea, Ghana Bedi, Nabedi, but I said now, talk about Kumano, and I thought I said, yes, here, you have to show respect. I have to respect you. I have to respect you. I have to show respect to all my brothers. Time and again, here we are with them. I have to show respect to them. If I don't show respect to them, they will not also respect me. And sanity, young Koso, and for Ubuni and DJ, Emma, in our Kumanum. And the way we are saying, and the Ghana for you, I say.